Hi everyone. Today, we'll explore ribbon charts, decomposition trees, scatter charts with play axis, and infographics and custom visuals. These visuals transform complex data into actionable insights, uncovering stories within your datasets. Join me on this exciting dive into Power BI's visual prowess. Let's get started. The ribbon chart is a fantastic tool for tracking data changes over time and understanding shifts in ranks. Adding total quantity to the y-axis and time elements to the x-axis brings this visual to life. It resembles a column chart, and by incorporating a legend for article categories, it unfolds the evolving patterns distinctly. The highest range always stands atop, revealing quantities for various categories and showcasing rank changes dynamically. However, to enhance readability, adjusting settings like turning off the x-axis title, enabling data labels, and activating the zoom slider might be necessary. Implementing filters can streamline the display to focus on top categories, avoiding visual clutter. Moving on to the decomposition tree, it's an AI-powered gem that visualizes data across multiple dimensions. By picking fields like total banks, state, bank name, and a time element, users can delve into complex data structures. The AI feature aids in discovering concealed issues or correlations, unraveling insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. This visual empowers users to navigate through data hierarchies, making it a versatile tool for detailed exploration and analysis. The scatter chart with play axis in Power BI revolutionizes traditional scatter charts found in Excel. It introduces a multidimensional approach, enhancing visual representation by integrating a temporal dimension. By mapping sales values against profit, alongside quantity displayed by bubble size, and segmented by customer state, the chart presents distinct data bubbles, each representing a state's data. The standout feature lies in the play axis, adding a time factor to the visual. This capability enables users to employ dates or periods, allowing for chronological data analysis. Formatting adjustments like disabling the legend, activating category labels, and enhancing their visibility contribute to clearer, more insightful interpretations of data evolution over time. This dynamic tool grants users a comprehensive understanding of evolving trends, making it an indispensable asset in data visualization and analysis within Power BI. Exploring infographics and custom visuals within Power BI opens up a world of boundless creativity. The process is seamless. Simply navigate and import additional visuals like the infographic designer. This powerful tool takes its place at the bottom of the visual palette, awaiting your creative touch. What makes it unique is its diverse range of settings, each custom visual offering a new road for exploration. Let's dive deeper into the infographic designer's intricacies. Picture this: you're integrating gender and total quantity into the visual narrative, transforming raw metrics into percentages of the grand total. As you navigate the formatting options, the scope of design unfolds. Amidst the myriad chart types available, we'll opt for columns to encapsulate the essence of your data story. The real magic happens when you infuse shapes within these columns, each shape representing a different facet of your data. But the power of customization doesn't stop there. Uploading SVG files, harmonizing shapes' heights, and manipulating colors become the tools to craft a visually compelling story that resonates with your data. What's remarkable is the dynamic response to these adjustments. This visual ecosystem seamlessly integrates into Power BI, allowing for cross-highlighting and cross-filtering. Imagine a bar chart displaying profits across categories. Interact with these categories, and watch the visual synchronize, offering a holistic perspective of data insights. In essence, these infographics and custom visuals transcend traditional representations. They empower you to curate immersive data experiences, foster creativity, and uncover hidden insights within your reports, a testament to the power and versatility of Power BI's visualization capabilities. Thanks for exploring these dynamic Power BI visuals with me. If you found a favorite or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more data-driven content. See you next time as we continue exploring the world of visualization together. Stay inspired.